Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you're well. So today I'm going to share with you that how to grow Instagram thread followers on Threads. So this is a very simple process. You can increase your Threads follower very easily. And if I just share my profile with you, that is, you can see here I have around 53 followers on my Threads account. So what you need to do, simply just you will go to our home option, then you can find some post that already people have done. So just simply you will like their photos and also you can give them following. Just if you give them follow, so actually they will give you follow back. And how can you understand that actually they will give you follow back or not? So actually, on Threads, actually we cannot see that actually how many followers, like how many people they are following, but we can see how many followers they have. So if you give them like unlimited following, but actually it is not going to show to anyone. So just if you just give them following a lot of people, just it will be just only you will know that how many people you will just giving following. Okay, so just you will ultimately give them following, and just you also can like on their post. Actually the main things that it's mainly work, that is if you just press on like on their post, actually they will give you a follow, and you can say why they will give me a follow back. Okay, why they will give me a follow. The main reason is that actually those are giving like on their post, the content creator of this application, they will think that actually you like their content. And also like in future, if the person give you follow, and maybe this person can expect that he will get a likes from you, and that is why he or she will give you follow on this application. So this is a very simple process. I hope everyone can do that.